Hard physical labor, especially repetitive lifting tasks, is causing a variety of health problems, and this motivated us to develop the Auxivo lift suit. We are a spin-off from ETH Zurich. We have a background in exoskeleton research, and we are now using this knowledge to develop industrial exoskeletons like the lift suit.
The lift suit reduces the muscle activity in the back and the hip muscles when lifting, but also when working in forward-leaning positions, up to 30%. Its light textile design makes it comfortable to wear also for longer periods of time and allows free movement. You can wear it on top or underneath work clothes, and also it allows you to drive a car.
The lift suit is an entirely mechanical system. It has no electronics or motors involved. It relies on a set of springs that the user can activate or deactivate as required.
The lift suit is developed to reduce workload, muscle fatigue and exhaustion, and it's the perfect solution to ensure that you can do heavy physical work throughout your career. It's based on years of scientific research and is one of the most innovative solutions on the market.